Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 70 registered Volkswagen Golf R-Line. Now this is the 1.5 eTSi 150 and it's also got the 7-speed automatic gearbox. So this is a hybrid vehicle and so is wonderful on fuel and superb to drive. Now this car is obviously the latest VW Golf, and you'll be pleased to hear that it's got quite a lot of factory options on it. So one owner car, just done under 20,000 miles, and you'll be seeing that the car's finished in Moonstone grey metallic. Now that is a £635 factory option. Absolute wonderful colour that. I am very impressed with this car, very impressed indeed. I'd have to say, this is the first time I've looked around one of these new Golfs, and the level of specification and the inside of the R-Line, it's just wonderful. Now this car sat on the factory optional extra of the 18-inch Bergamo alloy wheels. Now they are a £450 cost option. I do have the original, as you can see here. I've got the original factory order there from the Corkills dealership, the Volkswagen main dealer. So this is available today in our showroom in Wigan to drive away. All the wheels are in absolutely perfect condition on it. It's just been recently serviced by the Volkswagen main dealership, and you'll be pleased to hear it has a service plan also till 2024. Nice that, isn't it? Now this paintwork is in absolutely as new condition. All over the vehicle, it is wonderful. I do like that as well. It shows all the black lines, so all the down the lower parts of the vehicle are all high gloss black finish. R-Line insignia on the wings. We've got the privacy glass in the back of the vehicle, and then as you come round the taller part, we've got the tailgate spoiler, and then the diffuser and the twin tailpipes on this one also are all in high gloss black finish. eTSi obviously gives you the designation that it is a hybrid. So obviously you've got the lower road tax on that. Boot looks like it's never been anything in it. I'm sure there has. But a very, very nice vehicle. Do know the owner of the vehicle. But a wonderful, wonderful car. As new in every way. So this one will come with a balance of your manufacturer's 3-year guarantee. And that can be used in any Volkswagen dealership in Europe. The vehicle again down the driver's side replicates that of the passenger and is free from any trolley dent whatsoever. The wheels are all in as new order, absolutely gorgeous this. So the factory options inside then, we have the winter pack, we've got the keyless entrance and start, we've got the rubber mat set which was an optional, and then internally we have got then rear view reversing camera. And then the person who bought it new has ordered from the Volkswagen dealership front and rear dash cameras. And they were over £600 those. So it's got all of that in it. Well, think about those dash cams, they're free to you. Now the car,
contracts where
lovely, lovely car. Don't have 19,937 miles.
Same number.
This interior is fantastic. It's like sitting in a new Porsche 911 if you've ever sat in one of those. The same gear shift, the same sort of cockpit area. But this interior for an R-Line, high back sports Recaro seats, anthracite cloth detail. I mean, obviously you can have a look on Volkswagen's website and you can get all the latest information on those vehicles. But for me, I could only say to you, there's the heated steering wheel. Put it in your hand, it's lovely and warm. We've got the heated seats. We've got automatic transmission. We've got automatic handbrake. We can run through the system and that's all there like so. Navigation. Press this little square and it goes back. But we have everything there then. DAB radio. If I select reverse gear, then we've got then a reverse camera. As I said, that was a factory option. What else have we got? Assistance, collision warning assistance. So I think that's sort of the don't quote me on it, but I think that's where the car automatically brakes if it's going to be in a crash. There's all your fuel economy, long term there, you know. So it's got everything, hasn't it? Fantastic. And then as we come up to the cockpit, that then is all interactive also. So I can run through the right hand side there, as we say. Okay, and then it'll put the route, because we've not guidance anything yet. And this side is that side, so I can adjust all of those up through. We've then got automatic headlamps as well. We've got the paddle shift there and there. But overall, the cockpit on this is just fantastic. Just look at that. Now this car's never been smoked in. I don't smoke, and I tell the last person didn't. And also, it's just fantastic. So I've just pulled the mirror back there. So there you can see your forward facing camera. So as I say, they were fitted by the Volkswagen dealership when it was new, and you do have one also in the rear. I don't know if you can see that, but on the back window there is also a rear view camera. So you get yourself on TV, on Car Wars or whatever that programme is on Channel 5. But superb, absolutely superb. Volkswagen has done a real good job on this car. Very impressed. Let's have a look in the rear. Now for me, I don't think many people have actually ever been in the back of this car. Now, that anthracite sort of checker flag detail, beeping away because I've got the keys in my pocket. As I say, the keyless option is, I think that was 450. But I've listed all the options on our words on the website, and you'll see it all there. But this car is as new in every way. Silky smooth to drive. Everything about it is as new. Just have a look at that. So, no ordering, no waiting for anything. Still got the I've had a fill in this morning, so excuse me. Still got the balance of manufacturer's warranty. Got the service pack. Just been serviced at the Volkswagen dealer. Everything about it is in absolutely as new order. So, if you'd like to reserve this in Wigan, what we do here, we will take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That will reserve the car from sale until you arrive to inspect it with us. Once you've inspected it, had a test drive, checked it out, make sure it's everything you want it to be, you can pay for it using your banking app. We can do finance on this vehicle, and we can also take a part exchange. So give myself a call. I'm Graham. We've got Lee and Dominic on the sales team with me. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Have a look at our reviews. You'll see we're a 40-year-old family business. Have a look at our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers on our Instagram page and our YouTube TV page. You'll see lots of cars like this, lots of customers collecting cars. But as for now, thanks for watching the video. I look forward to your inquiry.